So today I'm here to share the kit that I'm going to be using in my journal. This is a design team project for Creating with Jovi. This is the kit. I'm going to flick through it. I will be making a steampunk journal. Mine will be slightly grungy, slightly vintage, and these are the beautiful papers. This one I printed onto white paper, and I've sort of backed it with just some plain sort of, let me see, like just a little bit of something. These are on white paper, as you can see, just a bit of something on the back, and these are on Crop-a-Dile paper, so it makes a slight difference. But I thought, you know, let's just go for something a little bit different. I've done something on the back of that, this one, and she's making an appearance today because obviously we don't need her today. Come on, can you move? There you go. Right, I'm just going to show you the tags very quickly. So there's some gorgeous tags, ready-made, just need to cut them out. These ones went slightly off the edge of my paper, but not too bad. I can rescue them. They should be slightly bigger than that. I love these ones. I love these. Seahorse is amazing. And some ephemera, which I've accidentally printed out onto cardstock. I was going to print this onto paper, but that didn't work because I had card in my printer and forgot. So it's going to be a bit tough to cut out all these little bits. So I may make like pockets or something out of these. We'll see. So that is the kit. And if you are interested in it, do pop over to Jovi's Etsy shop. I'll link her channel and her Etsy shop below in the description box. And let's get on and make a journal. So this is what I've made with the kit. I've made a separate video on the process of putting this cover together, and I'll be posting that in a couple of days. So I'm going to do the flip through. These are die cuts that I have embossed with gold and copper and bronze embossing powder. This is a metal butterfly that's got natural sort of aging on it, and I've dangled a little key on. This is a metal bracelet and a cogwheel that I've cut out, and I've called it Chase Your Dreams because I'm using the kit Steampunk Dreams, so it sort of went. So on the spine you'll see that I have done a sort of corset style binding, and I think it's really nice. I'm like quite excited about it. And this spine is made from 2 pieces of card, an invisible binding, obviously I didn't want my stitches showing, and this is embossed paper again, which I have painted and rubbed with gold and bronze paint. On the back, I quite like the back. I'm super excited with how this turned out. So I've had some of these cogwheels, and they're just paper, well, card, and I did the embossing on them like I did with, you know, a few of the other bits, and stuck them on. And then I've got this sort of necklace strand, and I wound it all the way around these, and then I dangled an anchor at the bottom, and obviously did my, you know, studs. And I'm absolutely thrilled with how it turned out. I hope you like it because it took so long and so long. So that's the cover. Let's get in the journal. So all the decorated pages are the kit. I haven't used anything else. As you can see, the binding is showing on the inside as well. So this is part of the kit, and we've just added lace. I've done a few little extras like notepads. All my tags I've put grommets in, you know, a bit of steampunk. More little bits of gold. Clock pages. I've done an over-the-top little flip that you could write on, and that's held on by one of these little mini clips. And then there's a time card stuck in there. On the other side is this is out of a very old book from the 1800s, and it's about the airship, the Hindenburg, blowing up. They were so dangerous, weren't they? So I've tucked that in because I thought that was quite appropriate for this journal. I've got some book pages. I've done some stenciling. This is part of the kit. These are my own handmade cogs. And I saw a video, and I can't remember who it was, but I'm going to link it below because it was really fascinating. And I tried to do it, but I haven't got the right colours. So it, you know. So what I'll do is I'll link the video that I watched, and you can see how to do them properly. I did have a go. So I just sort of embellished them up, the tags up a little bit. This is not part of the kit. This is from one of my lovely subscribers, and I've photocopied it because I can't bear to use it yet. This is from the kit, the little butterfly. This bit is just some paper that I had, and on the back the colour went straight through, so I thought that was quite cool, but I didn't want to show the whole lot. So I've made like little tag pockets in there, and these tags are from the kit, and I've just backed them with some writing paper. There is so much writing. This is a real writer's journal because it is got lots of pages and loads of space to write. This is part of the kit. I've done a few ruffles, not loads. I haven't gone overboard with the fabric. This is part of the kit. I love these seahorses. Done some little notes. Bingo card with a tuck. It's the little things that make life big. And I thought that was quite apt because of the magnifying glass. On this one, I've backed the card, the tag, onto some book page. And I just think it looks really cool. And I've put a little white grommet in. Oh, you should be in there. Get in there. I'll show you anyway. So this tag, again, is one that I've made myself and embellished with bits that are not from the kit. I've put some writing space on the back. Now, these are the ones I've made. So, you know, not as good as the ones in the original video. So that goes in this little pocket. And I've made this a twirly because it was fun. And you can even turn the top one as well. So, you know, just because, you know, bit of fun. And that's the other side of that. More stamping, book pages, loads of writing, somewhere to do a spread. This is just out of an old book, and it says it's the first railway station at Euston Square, London. And I've got a tag. This is not from the kit. This is just one I had in my stash, and I thought just went with this journal. Some more clock page, more stenciling. This one wasn't from the kit, but I found it in a magazine, so I cut it out and just stitched around it. And it's just writing paper on here. Some more stencil in there. This is from the kit. I love that lady. I've made a writing board with another piece from the kit. So you've got that to lean on. Another ruffle. This is part of the kit. So I've just made a tuck. And I just thought this is some astronaut stuff. And I just thought it was like quite cool. This one I've just put, it's all perspective. Another one I've backed onto sort of pink paper to match over here. There she is. This one I've got, this is again out the same magazine, and I've put on, this is part of the kit, and so is this, just tucks in. So still loads of room. Love this paper. I've left this for you to pop on any picture that you want. This is again some just photocopied bit of random paper that just look kind of cool. Clock, and I've done a little tuck with part of a tag there and stuck this one in, added a little butterfly and some lace. There's not a lot of lace and stuff, so this tag I've just popped in there. I've made a page edge embellishment on this one with one of the little tags. More writing space on this one. This is another, I love this page. Found this in a magazine as well, and this one, so I just cut them out and collage them on. This is again from just an old book about railways, and I just thought it was quite cool to put in. Got a little book in the pocket with part of the kit on the front and some note paper inside, so you could take that with you if you wanted to go somewhere. I had this in my stash, which was a die cut, and I just painted it black and popped it in. And a dream is a wish your heart makes. A bit of trim down there. More writing space, loads of writing space. See the other page of that clock. This is just really old, so it's a bit torn. The side of that. This is what happens when you don't coffee dye the paper. And where's that one? This is what happens when you do. So, you know, you can do both, so it's quite versatile. Done a bit of stamping. This is such a cool page, I didn't want to put anything on that, so I've just added the little seahorse tag over there. And I just thought this paper went quite well, so I popped it in. You know, you just have to use your stash up. So, oh, I did a bit of a collage with all my pieces of the cogs that I've made. And I do have a video. It's not brilliant, but I do have one. If you want me to put it up, I'll put it up. But yeah. It wasn't as successful as I thought I could do it. I'll probably do it better next time. So another ruffle, and that is the end. As you can see, again down there, I put an envelope on the back with a little tag, and this is part of the kit as well. So you've got that in there. And this is just a die cut that I had in my stash. And this is a tag that I had as well, which I thought just went, you know, went with the theme. So I've added it. And that is it. So I hope you like it. And obviously the link to Jovi's channel and the Etsy shop where you can get this kit is in my description box below. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it. I had so much fun experimenting with this, and I really loved using the kit. And I can't wait for next month to do another one. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now, guys. Don't forget to go see Jovi.